Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome to our channel. So today we are doing a final breakdown of what it cost me to get this car. You guys don't know, I've been working on this car for a few months now. Okay, so first thing I did was I bought the Carfax report, which was $39.99, just to see, make sure the car, history is good, clean. Obviously it was wrecked, so that showed up the accident, and then I made sure that the mileage is accurate, that there's no other, suspicious activity on the report. So that was good. I was happy with that. So the price of the vehicle, I paid $26,000 for the winning bid on the Copart. It came originally from California, as you guys know. So with all the fees and everything from Copart, that turned out to be $27,238. All right. So then to get the car delivered, I paid $650 to get it delivered from California to Denver. And then to get the dealer title and fees, I paid $1,090 for that. Okay, so then we're gonna go to the price breakdown of what it cost me to rebuild it. So as you guys all know, the damage was right here on this side, which was the fender was replaced, the front door, and then we had this like nick right here where I'm pretty sure they were just trying to pry out this door because it was smashed, so they damaged this door. So I got that door also replaced. So we'll start off with the front door. So this door right here, got it from a junkyard, paid $848. The rear door on eBay paid $542. The fender, also on eBay, I paid $623 for that fender. And then the spindle on the knuckle on this wheel was messed up, so I had to replace that. That cost me $90 for that part alone. And then to replace that for the labor, including the alignment, I paid $300 for that. And then obviously I just did a oil change on it, paid about $55 for that. Give or take, because I still have some oil left. And then the final labor and repaint of this whole side cost me $2,200. So that included repainting the fender, repainting this door. Also, if you'll remember, we had this door jamb or pillar. This was smashed, so they did and pull that, and they repainted this whole thing right here. So that's also. And then, as you guys remember, this bumper was good on that side, but this side right here, we had a nice big scratch over here and then one over here. So the whole bumper got repainted. The hood stayed, this fender stayed, this door is good. This fender had a nice big dent right here. And then, so yeah, they pulled it and then they repainted this. So that's all they did for as far as all the labor and painting. And then I did the VIN inspection because, as you guys all know, this is a salvage title, so that cost me $50 too. And then the final registration, to get it registered, I paid $1,555 to get it registered. And then a few things that I was able to sell. So the door and the fender, I was able to recycle it. That was only $5, so that was a plus in my count. Sold the door lock actuator, that was $15. Sold that rear door that had the damage for $200 on eBay. And then there was a pair of Ray-Ban glasses in there that I found. Sold those for $65. So the grand total with everything including the registration, I paid $999. So almost $35,000. The deal is not bad. I've been wanting this car for a really long time. It's been my dream car for a while. Now the options that it has a lot of really cool options. Before I bought the car, I got the sticker price on what it costs, and as you guys can see, the sticker price of this car is $80,000. This car is loaded with all the bells and whistles. It's got the massage seats, it's got the heat seats, cool seats, heated steering wheel, the Sport S-Line package, you name it, 20-inch wheels, the driver assistance, so that has adaptive cruise control, the lane assist, corner view cameras, high beam assist. So definitely a lot of really cool options on this car. So if I were to buy this car with all these options and with the mileage, it currently has 17,000 miles. I got it with around 16 and a half. You'd probably be paying around 42,000 with all the options. But again, that's a clean title. Now this is a salvage title. I paid 35, but then again, that's with the registration. So without registration, just the car alone itself, being completely rebuilt, cost me around 32,500, which is not too bad. I'm happy. Yeah, it could have been a better deal, but the parts were not really cheap. Those fender and doors, they were definitely cost me a good penny. But other than that, it drives great, no issues, mechanically sound, no check engine lights. I'm really happy about that. And I did also take it to the Audi dealership and did a multi-point inspection, and they said it's good, it's clean. The only thing they recommended me was replacing the air intake filter and the cabin air filter. So got those replaced, and it's driving real good, very smooth. Love it. All right, so guys, a little history on this car. This car originally came from Beverly Hills. The owner of this car, she was in the movie industry, and she didn't actually own the car. She was leasing it, and she had it for about 2 years. And I mean, I gotta say, I'm not gonna disclose her name, but she did not take good care of this car. This car was just trashed inside, makeup, all kinds of stuff, grease, stains on the carpet, seats. And then obviously the body was just everywhere, all around. I mean, not bashing or anything like that, but I had to get a lot of stuff, you know, back into place. I had to get it really cleaned, detailed, and then do all the work on the body. So, but that's a little history on it. All right, guys, so that was my experience on buying a car from Copart. I was a bit hesitant because the car was from California and I live in Denver, so I wasn't able to go see it. Now, if I saw all the, you know, imperfections with it, all the body damage, I probably wouldn't bid as much on it. But I mean, it's a risk. With Copart, you always have to take a risk. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna keep this car for a while. I had my A4 for 5-6 years. This will be my daily driver for a while. All right, guys, so that'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, along with all the series videos of the rebuild. Please leave me a comment of what you guys think, your thoughts of this rebuild, and what you guys think of, I guess, the price breakdown, and if it was worth it or not, and if you guys would do the same rebuild. Also, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing some mods on this car, hopefully an APR chip, maybe some more cosmetic body work. And then also we have the 2015 Mercedes C300 rebuild coming up, so stay tuned for that as well.